Good evening, friends. Welcome to Metronics Facebook Live at 5:30. Hi, friends. I am your friend Saurabh from Metronics Technical and Service Department. I hope you are regularly watching our Facebook Live videos at 5:30, where we describe technically some of our Metronics product. So you will get some knowledge of your project or your project or automation related project, and you can use our product easily. So today we will see a fiber optic series, that is a digital fiber optic amplifier BF5 series. Before that, going into the BF5 series, I will tell you some parameters or some description of our BF series, that is the fiber optical sensors, and I will tell you the fiber optical cables that we have. For your purpose, I bring one demo kit that different types of digital optical fiber cables that we have. So I will tell you some technical specifications or technical descriptions of our digital fiber optical amplifier, that is we calling the BF5. As you know, friend, we have different types of fiber optical amplifiers, that is the fiber amplifier, BF5 series, BF4 series, or BF3 series. So dual display or single display. So different types of fiber optical amplifiers we have, and I will tell you some description or technical data of this fiber optical amplifier that is very useful for your applications. It's a dual display, that the BF5 series. It also available in the single display also, but I bring it for one demo purpose, that is a dual display, and which indicate the incident light, that is the setting value also, and it has the keys that you can set the distance according to your applications. It can unable to detect the minimum object, that the object size of your that you want to detect in your applications. The minimum object size should be 1 as to 10,000 ratio. It has a very 1 to 10,000 high resolutions. It can unable to detect with the target high speed minimum object, that if the target like you can say high speed moving object up to the 550 microseconds. So if your object is moving very fastly, so it can also detect that thing also, and it has a time is 50 microsecond. It has a different time mode also, that ultra fast mode, that is the 50 microsecond, that's the maximum. Then that's one the mode that we have, that is the ultra fast mode. Then the another is a high speed mode, that is a 150 microsecond. That one have the standard mode, that is a 500 microsecond. And the long distance mode, if the distance is too long, then the distance, if the distance is too long, then the mode is the long distance mode, that is a 4 millisecond. And another is the ultra long distance mode, that is a 10 millisecond. So 5 response speed that we have for this digital fiber optic amplifier. It has an anti-saturation setting, that which prevent you for the malfunctioning of the saturated light. So it having that type of function, that it can anti-saturation setting. If the light is saturated is more in your area of applications, so you can use this in anti-saturation mode, so that malfunction of the sensors will help you for this anti-saturation mode. So it will not malfunction your digital optic fiber amplifier. Then it's having multiple sensitivity setting mode, as I told you, friend, and I will show you also how to do the settings and how to do the teachings also. It has multiple sensitivity setting available, that is the auto tuning or the teaching. So I will tell you some different multiple tuning settings that we have. That is anti-saturation, that I told you, manual sensitivity setting, teaching sensitivity settings, group teaching, or the monitoring mode, different types of mode, that is a run mode, it come under the run mode, programming mode, that kind of different mode we available. And the light source, that is a red light is available for the light source. And the operation mode is the light on and dark on operation mode, that is selectable. It also has the output, that is PNP or the NPN output type. And the time function also available for the BF5 series or the digital fiber optic amplifier. That is the timer function will be the off delay or the on delay timer or one shot delay timer. That kind of time setting is also available up to 1 to 5,000 milliseconds. That kind of settings available also for the timer functions also available in the BF5 series. So before that, I am show you some wide area of our detection fiber optic cables. I hope, friend, you can see this, that we have different types of fiber optical cables, that is a GT series. This one is the above one is the GT series. I hope you can see The next one is GD series, that heat resistive type. This is one of the PDF series. These all are the digital detection of, these all are the fiber optical cables, that is FLP series. It is for the cylindrical type. That one is the, you can see here, FDR series, FDP series, and the FTW series. So we have different types of fiber optical cables also that you can use for your fiber optical amplifier, and very useful for your applications for detection of the object. Now I show you one of our digital fiber optic amplifier that I bring for you for the demo purpose. That is the BF5R. I hope, friend, you can see this. This is our BF5R D1P. That is, the output is a PNP type. So you can see here a mark is P. BF5R-D1-P. This is one of our digital fiber optic amplifier, and I connect fiber optical amplifier cable. That is, you can see here model number FD620-10. So you have how to interface this. So you have to open this cap by pressing the lock key here. So you have to open this. I hope, friend, you can see. And you have to put these two wires here. For that, there is one lock. You have to press that lock downside. If you press that lock downside, it will be open. You have to put that two wires inside this, and you have to lock that. So your FD620-10 will be locked. You have to lock that again. After that, you can see here, my friends, as I told you, it's a dual display type. We also available in the single display type also. You can see here 4 keys. The one is here and the 3 keys are here. That one is for the set key, that you can do the settings like teaching, or you can, it is very useful for the teaching. And another are the 3 keys are for the down mode or up, that is up down arrow, up down key, or the mode key. For the normal settings, that if you want to do the settings of the detection of the object, it's very simple. You have to keep the sensor in front of the object, and you have to press the set key, and it will come on the display that is OK, and you have to release that. Then the sensitivity setting distance will be done. That is normal teaching method, very easy to use. And as I told you, friend, different types of operations, that is saturation mode or the anti-saturation mode, timers mode, that can mode be available in the settings by using this mode key, up down arrow key. So if the object come between that, you can see here one output indications also that can read. Now I am putting these sensors, and also you can see here I connect one output, that is a PNP output, that I connect one indicator, green indicator. I hope you can see. So if I remove that sensors from the object, it is not showing any output. If I keep that sensors, or if I keep the object between the sensor, close to the sensors, it is showing me the output. So if you want to do the teaching for the sensitivity setting, you have to press the mode key, and then after pressing the mode key on the green, where you can see the green color, it will display the OK. After that, the setting is done. So it's very easy setting. So this is one of our digital fiber optic amplifier, and very useful for various applications where the temperature range is very high. If you are having the very high temperature, that is 120, or where the photoelectric sensors or proximity sensors are very difficult to work in that temperature range. So these fiber optical sensors are very useful for that kind of applications. Where, as I told you, friend, where the fiber optic sensor is very useful, where the temperature range is very high for the detection of object. Consider when there is one heater and you want to detect some inside that, or some heating applications like we have, or the chambers like that we have, then it's very difficult to detect when we use the proximity sensors or the photo sensors. So in that case, you have to use the fiber optic sensors that we mostly use where the temperature range is very high. So that's for the digital fiber optic amplifier for the today's topic. I hope you like that today's topic. Tomorrow toll-free number 1800 220 235. I will repeat the number. You can ask any query on our toll-free number 1800 220 235, or you can simply mail us also india@atonics.com. I will repeat the mail ID. Our mail ID is india@atonics.com. I hope you like the video, and thanks for watching today's video. Have a great day.